In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Slack workspace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First, we'll start from your desktop. The process is quite simple. Open your web browser and head to 8/slack.com/signin. This is where all the action begins. Once you're on the Slack sign-in page, the first thing you'll want to do is enter your email address. For the best experience, I suggest using your work email. This way, you'll be able to easily connect with your colleagues. After you've entered your email, simply click on the Continue button. Now, here's an important step. Keep an eye on your email inbox. You should soon receive a confirmation code from Slack. Go ahead and check that email. Once you find it, enter the confirmation code as prompted, which will verify your email address. This step is crucial, as it ensures you have access to the workspace you'll be joining. After you confirm your email, you'll see a section that says Accept an Invitation. Under this, you can click Join next to the workspace that you'd like to join. This is usually the workspace that your team or group has set up. If you're joining a workspace that you've been invited to, there are a few extra steps you'll need to follow to fully accept that invitation and set up your account. It's pretty straightforward. Begin again by checking your inbox for that invitation email from Slack. Once you locate it, click on the Join Now button in the email. This action will lead you forward in the process. Next, you'll need to enter your full name. This is how everyone in the Slack workspace will see you, so make sure it's professional and reflects how you want your team to recognize you. After entering your name, simply click Continue. Now, depending on the device you're using, whether it's a desktop, iOS, or Android, the next steps might vary slightly, but they generally follow a similar pattern. If you're on desktop, after you enter your name, you may be asked to create a password for your account. Choose something secure but memorable, as you'll need this to log in later on. Once that's done, you'll click on Create Account. If you're using mobile, Slack will guide you through the setup process with prompts. Just follow those, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you've completed these steps, you'll find yourself inside your new Slack workspace. Here, you can start engaging with your team, communicate in channels, and share files. Remember, Slack is an excellent tool for collaboration, so feel free to explore the features available to you. And there you have it. You've successfully joined a Slack workspace. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more useful tips and tricks. Happy collaborating, and see you in the next video.